Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into Temu, the most revolutionary Chinese discount platform for buying cheap products from China. With huge potential for savings, Temu is a must-know for every savvy shopper. But here's a secret tip. If you wish to buy some product, please follow this guideline before making any purchases. Put all your items you wish in your basket and wait for the rolling lucky wheel. You win every time and add a total 20-30% discount. Simple, close the app and open again in the few hours or next day. You will be entered in a VIP page which, whatever you get, you can get additional discount, which I can tell later how to claim. Select from the suggested list the items that you want and remove any unwanted items, perhaps saving them for another day. You can easily manage your selections to ensure you're only purchasing what you need right now. Below, you can see the total credit discount that you are eligible to claim at the moment. This discount will be applied to your purchase, giving you even more savings on your selected items. Take a moment to review everything and make sure you're happy with your choices before proceeding to checkout. If there's something you don't see on the VIP page, you can search for it by pressing the search icon and typing in the item you want. Note that in the VIP section, you won't be able to browse each item description as you would on the main Temu homepage. After finalizing the total number of items you'd like to purchase, payment to claim your credits back. In this video, we'll demonstrate how easy it is to make a small purchase and earn credits. As you can see, I've earned 5.79 euros after finalizing my order by following these simple steps. Now, pay close attention to the following instructions. If you've completed the previous step correctly using this method, don't forget to claim your daily credit for every purchase, including today's. If you don't claim it, you will lose it. Let's show that Temu has a hidden option you can access by searching for claim credit. There are no daily reminders or notification messages sent, so make sure to visit the special Claim Credit section, find your order, and claim your daily credit as shown here. Find the appropriate order and claim the equivalent purchase credit back. Start saving more on today. Something that is not in this VIP page, you can search for it by pressing the search icon and type the item you wish to be added. Please note that this is VIP and you cannot browse each item description as you would do in Temu homepage. After you have finalized the total number of items that you would like to purchase, confirm that payment in order to claim you credits back. If you've purchased recently from Temu using this method, don't forget to get your daily credit back. Temu has a hidden option that you can access by searching and typing the word Claim Credit. There are no daily reminders or notification messages sent. All you have to do is go to the special Claim Credit section, find the associated order, and claim your daily credit as shown here. Start saving more on Temu today.